Canada has published two shocking reports. In the first report, it has been said that the international students who have come from 2018 to 2023, most of them are business people. Whereas in Canada, so many students cannot get a job in business. These are very big numbers. I will tell you in this video. The second report is even more shocking, which has been tabled in the Parliament. It has been said that the access to information like RT in India, then the largest number of IRCC and CBSA, which are both immigration departments, comes in their part. They are requested in such a large number. So this is a big report that has come out. Both reports are very important. They have their own impact. If you apply for a study visa in Canada where you need some kind of access. So let's talk about these two shocking reports. First of all, the first report is from CBC Canada, which is a broadcasting channel there. So they have published this report. They have said that from 2018 to 2023, the students who have studied in this field, they have taken out their statistics. In this, most of the students are business students, 27%. All the students who have studied in these 5 years are international students. So 27% of them are business scientists. Healthcare people are only 6% and 1.25% in the part of trade, whereas health and trade has the highest demand in Canada. There is such a big difference in the number that when you see this graph in business, in which the program of business, commerce and management came, there were 8 lakh students. From 15 to 23 who have been approved for the visa. After this, health has been approved for 42,000 and only 36,000 students have been approved for the visa in trades. So there is such a big difference. Now what is the value of this report? Because category-based means that the people who need the labor market there, Canada has started giving them preference. The draw of STEM people, healthcare people, agriculture people has begun to come out separately. Even Alberta recently drew a draw for healthcare people. In that, the CRS score was 302, the invitation came, so there is such a big difference. Now, when we look at this thing from the perspective of the student, then whoever the student will study in that field, will study in those occupations who have a high demand, it will be very easy for them to get a job. When they will have experience in their field, they will participate in the next category draw, then it can be very easy for them to get PR. So this report that has been published has a lot of significance in itself. It is saying a lot that so many people of business have studied there where that visa has been approved. So many people do not need it yet. Whereas few people have come in health and trade. Many people's vacancies are still vacant and many people need it there. So this report is in itself connected to PR and the labor market there. Let's talk about the second report. This report is related to access to information and privacy, which is also called ATIP. Two departments related to immigration, IRCC and CBSA, a very big shocking report has come about them. The Information Commissioner of Canada, Caroline Myrand, has made a report that IRCC and CBSA have been working together since 2018 to 23. These requests have come in a very large number. People have stopped requesting IRCC now. If they do not get a response from IRCC, then they have started to put this request to CBSA. There is such a big difference in the number that within 1 year of CBSA, there has been a 130% increase. Overall, IRCC has increased to 23 to 24%. In this report, 80,000 people had requested for some information regarding their application. They said that this is such a big number that all the information regarding the request comes, all the departments in Canada, so their 78% request is only with IRCC, but if we combine it with CBSA, that is, if we combine the immigration department, then there are 6 out of 7 requests from both parties. In such a large number of people who put requests to IRCC and CBSA. In this report, they also said that we had told IRCC 3 years ago that you have to find a method by which you can share that information with the applicants, but that has not been fixed yet. So IRCC has also said that we are working on it continuously, but the request is in such a large number, in such a high volume that we cannot answer all the requests. It has also been mentioned in this report that the IRCC which gives the refusal letter to the applicant, there is no proper information in it that why you are given refusal. That is why people use ATIP and then put CAPES just like we call it GCMS. So there is a lot of information in itself that if you put your CAPES, they will not be able to come for 2 or 3 months because IRCC has a very large number of 80,000 requests pending. So there are very shocking figures in itself. So 2 big reports have been published. First, business people have gone a lot. Healthcare and trade people are in need in Canada. And secondly, if you have put a request to IRCC to take any information, then 80,000 requests are already there.